Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Today we're going for a test drive in a 1992 Z-28 Camaro. This one does have the 5.7 350 under the hood. Very smooth running motor here. We got AC options. We got power steering. Should be a good little test drive. We're going to take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. This car here does have four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Got a little bit of a sheet up front. Kind of tells you some stuff about it. I will take a picture of that and add it to the video, going over all the different things about this car. Check us out at maplemotors.com. We have close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. I think I opened the trunk here. I did. Got some nice Bose speakers in the back. Looks pretty clean. Go ahead and shut this back down. I hit the button on the inside. I didn't know if it actually popped or what. We got a magnet tag I'm gonna stick on there. MapleMotors.com offers finance and shipping, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and all of our inventory. So hit that subscribe button, because you know what, guys? I feel like it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh, it's not loud enough. We'll go ahead and cut that off there. Look around the interior on this one. It's got tinted windows. The seats are in great shape. We've got my gear with us so we can get some cool footage. Headliner looks pretty clean. Door panel looks good. All of our gauges are coming up on the dash. Got a great sound to it. There's the mileage. You can look this one up. So this is pretty much correct mileage on this one. Tilt column. Did you place your bets on the horn? We're about to try it out. Let's turn the AC on, see if it works. I didn't hear the compressor kick on and pull down on the motor. Not affecting it at all right now. We'll leave it on a second and see if it gets cold. Normally you can tell if the compressor kicks on just by watching the R's and it's not kicking on. We do have the face to the radio in the office. You got power windows. Let's see how slow they are. I don't know how. Well, not too bad. We're coming up pretty quick too, so we're good there. We know the trunk button works. Decent car here. Let's see if the power locks work. No, power locks are out. All right, guys, let's try that horn. Give me some. I know this horn works. It's got to. No honk coming from this car. All right, let's hit the road. Oh yeah. Oops. Hit a bunch of tagging. I don't want to do that. Oh well. We're gonna hit the road here. Anything that I see that is wrong with this one, I will point out and let you know. That's why I do these videos. Throttle's a little touchy in this one. A little peppy. So the right turn signal light on the dash is out. You can hear it clicking. The left side is cutting on and working. I hear an exhaust leak immediately. Speedometer's coming up on the dash and it's reading correct. The car is going straight as an arrow. It's not pulling to the right, it's not pulling to the left. Steering's nice and tight. And our kick down is hooked up. Oh yeah. It's pulling good. The brakes feel awesome. So far, other than that exhaust leak that I hear, good driver. Gonna hit pull back over here, and I'm gonna do a walk around video, point out any kind of flaws on the outside, checking the paint out. Car's pretty fun to drive. Zooming all over the road. Luckily I got away from all the traffic. Watching that mileage, it doesn't seem to have turned over very much. It's not really turning. So I'm gonna say we don't know the miles on this car now. At first I was saying you can, but it's not turning over at all, guys. All right, I'm gonna get these outside shots. Let's keep this video going. Okay, got y'all off in the driver's seat now. We're gonna head on back to the lot. Figured out it's a lot easier to get out over here on this side. So we got lights popping up on our dash here. They look pretty good. Sometimes when they get older like that, they start dimming out. These are pretty bright. I don't know if y'all can see them through the headlamp or not. Still not used to this time change. It's dark already. Okay. I forgot to put my tag on. I wonder if this is the time we're gonna get pulled over. I'm passing the police right now. Hopefully we don't. I kinda just wanna get back to the lot and edit this video up. No, I guess we're good. A little bit of road noise you can hear. Coming up on that road with a speed bump in it, kind of give you an idea on suspension. So far, so good. Here's the speed bump coming up right here. Fairly smooth, not a lot of rattles. All right, traffic, lighten up a little bit. I'm ready to go. Surprising how nice this car is inside. Everything's nice and clean, looks original. Let's roll. All right, we've made it back. We're pulling into the lot now. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for the day, get this video together and try to get it out to you first thing in the morning. Woo, they really tightened things up, didn't they? All right, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, share this video. It gets us out there. Also, hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every single day, and I'll do my best to keep that rolling for you. If you're new to the channel, definitely show your friends. Hit that subscribe button. I have full lot walkarounds, test drives, individual car walkarounds, pointing out all the flaws. MapleMotors.com offers finance and shipping. All of our inventory, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, anything for the classic car you need, holler at us. You can give us a call, 615-822-4444. I want to thank y'all again. I'll see you later, guys.